In the context of disruptive innovation in construction, BIM is a huge topic. When you ask different people, what does it stand for? You usually get the same answer, building information modeling. But the problem is that not everybody means the same thing when they are referring to BIM. In fact, the M in BIM matters a lot and it differs a lot. A lot of people actually refer to a model, a product, when they are saying BIM, even though they explain it as building information modeling, but what they are referring to is a product, is an outcome. It is a visual representation of a building asset. It can have geometric and non-geometric information behind it. The next interpretation of M is the modeling, is the obvious one, but it refers to a process, not to a product. It's about how to collect information, exchange information, and create a model at a certain time. What you see here is a diagram that we developed based on that, based on the modeling process at the University of British Columbia. So what you see is different roles and then different phases of the project, and at what point, what kind of information is being passed along through the model. The last interpretation is a more holistic one, is building information management, which includes the entire life cycle of a project. And it goes beyond the model and modeling product and the process. It also includes the entire organization and infrastructure around that. Who is responsible for the model development? Who is the owner of the model? How to exchange information, liabilities, and so on. Everything needs to be included. The image that you see here is a very famous one, which basically says there is a backbone of information along the project's life cycle, and BIM is basically helping creating this backbone of information. So none of these interpretations are wrong. All you need to know is that there are different interpretations out there, and many people are referring to them just as BIM. So when you are having conversations with people, with your clients or instructors and so on, you need to be aware of these kind of mix-up that's out there, and you need to try to find out what they are actually referring to. Even though they might interpret BIM as building information modeling, they might not mean the same thing. Hope this was helpful for you. See you in the next video.